this administration is clear. We have to root out this corruption. The corruption that is messing each and every department, each and every unit, each and every state department, ministry, and messing up even the entire government. We have to say no to it, and we are saying no one has to intervene for corruption to be perpetrated. No calls from above, no sacred cows, no one will be spared, but those who will do right, who will perform their duties according to the law and the responsibilities given, will be protected, and they will be assured of their jobs and of their well-being. Therefore, all public officers shall be held individually responsible for their actions and meet the full consequences for their infractions and breach of public trust. This is a resolve we shall pursue relentlessly.